Okay, now we're going to have a look at some ratio word problems. Okay, so if you've got a ratio of apples to oranges in a fruit salad is 2 to 1. If there are 6 apples in this fruit salad, how many oranges are there? And we're going to answer these by looking at bar model. Okay, so in this ratio model, okay, we've got 2 apples for every orange. Okay, 2 parts apple, 1 part orange. And it's saying there are 6 apples in this fruit salad. So this bit that's apples, okay, that's 6. So that's what the question's saying. And then it's asking, how many oranges are there? Okay, now in a ratio, all these parts are equal. They're all the same. So what would be natural for us to do is to work out what's each one of these boxes. Okay, all we need to do to that is take that 6 and split it into those 2 equal parts. We can see it's there in 2 equal parts. So 6 divided by 2, that's 3. So there's 3 in every box. Okay? Okay, let's try the next one. So that's our answer. I make pastry by mixing butter and flour in the ratio 2 to 3. Now let's say I've got lots and lots of flour, but I've only got 80 grams of butter. How much pastry can I make? Okay, so again, I'm going to draw this bar model. Okay, and to make my pastry, I need 2 parts butter, 3 parts flour. So all together, 2 add 3, that's 5 bits. 2 add 3 equals 5 parts. So I need to split my bar into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these are all equal. Okay, and let's say I've got butter, 2 parts butter, 3 parts flour. Okay? Now, saying I've got lots and lots of flour, there's no limit on my flour, but the amount of butter I've got is only 80 grams. Okay, now that's 2 boxes for butter, and that's 80 grams. Okay, so what's 1 box going to be then? Well, you can see that I need to split that 80 into those 2 parts. 80 divided by 2. Well, 8 divided by 2 is 4, so it's going to be 40 here. So each of these is 40 grams. 40 grams. And they're all the same in a ratio. Okay, so 40 grams, 40 grams, 40 grams. Okay, and it's asking how much pastry can I make, not how much flour should I use, it's how much altogether. Okay, so I need to work out this whole length of the bar. Now in the bar there's 5 boxes. So I need to do 5 times 40. Well, 5 times 4, that's 20. So 5 times 40 is going to be 200 grams of pastry. Okay, and that's our answer. Okay, so using the bar, we're not just drawing a bar and not doing any maths. We've got our calculations over here. Both parts are important. This is important to give you, the bar model is important to give you a picture of what's going on. Okay, and the maths is important, obviously, your calculation, so you can show your teacher exactly what you're doing. Okay, and we can have more than 2 things here. We could have 3. So I'm going to make some pale turquoise paint. So I'm going to mix white, green and blue paint together in the ratio 1 to 3 to 4. And it's saying I need 2,000 millilitres of paint altogether. So how much of each colour do I need? So let's draw out our bar model. Okay, so I've got 1 bit for white, 3 bits for green and 4 bits for blue. So altogether that's 8 bits my bar is going to need to be split into. Okay, so let's make it quite long. Now for 8 I can half it for quarters, half each of those again. And it's not so neat, but it's maybe a bit neater than it would have been. Okay, and here I've got white, 1 bit white, 3 bits green, and 4 bits blue. Okay, and all together it's telling me that's 2,000 millilitres. Okay, so I need to split that 2,000 millilitres into 8, okay, to work out what's in each part. So 2,000 divided by 8, oh, who knows what that is in our head. So let's do a sum. Fine to do a sum off to one side. So how many 8's going to 2? None. How many going to 22? that's 16, so 4 left over to get you up to 20. How many it's going to 40? Well, that's 5. How many it's going to 0? 0. So each bit is going to be 250 milliliters. Okay, all these little 250s. Okay, so white paint is easy. Just need 250 milliliters. Okay, green paint. Well, let's do a sum. 250 times 3, I should have put squared paper background, but here we are. 0 times 3 is 0, 5 times 3 is 15, 2 times 3 is 6, add on 1, 750, so we need 750 milliliters. And for blue, okay, I've got 4 lots of 250. Oh, I already know what 3 lots are, I'm just going to add 250 onto that. Sorry, that's very bad writing. And you maybe know this already, but let's practice doing sums. So 0 add 0, 0, 5 add 5 is 10, 7 add 2 add 1 is 10 also, so I've got 1,000 milliliters or 1 litre. Okay, and that's us done. So that's how to use a bar model. And see, once you've drawn your bar, it's kind of clear what the calculations you should do are. So I think that makes it a bit clearer for what we need to do. Okay, thank you.